we're back on video. We've been a little bit quiet with videos the past 6 to 8 weeks. We had a bit of a burst trying to get them out there, and then we moved workshop. So let me show you why we've been quiet on video. So we've redone upstairs. Well, we built an upstairs. For a start, this wasn't here. Display products. This area for people to sort of sit, chill, while stuff happens down here in the workshop. Go downstairs and have a quick look at the workshop. Epoxy resin the floor, so it's a trip hazard, but it looks great. These two likely characters. Fabrication room. All the routers set up, saws set up. Some mild extraction at the moment. We need to carry on with that. We've got everything in here that we need to work and fabricate efficiently, which is the key. Some small tables in the workshop. And another bay around here. Used for a long-term bay, or maybe for something else next year. We'll see. So that's why we've been quiet. We've been rebuilding the workshop, and yeah, come and take a look. Today we've got, in association with Alpine, we've got James down from Landrovers of London. Good Instagram page if you're into Defenders. We are fitting the iLX-F903D, the Halo 9 Alpine unit, in his TD5 dash. So, I mean, it's going to be a massive upgrade in functionality for him. CarPlay, Android Auto, you know, HDMI, Bluetooth, flat playback, it's the biz. So we're going to get to it, do a little bit of time lapse and stuff, getting it installed, set it up, a little bit of tuning, and yeah, get amongst it. So we're done with James's Defender 90. We've fitted an iLX-F903D Halo unit for CarPlay, and just to bring the whole thing up to date a little. Everything he could need really from a newer age unit. So his CarPlay, normal things like Bluetooth streaming. It's very nice. Let me just plug my phone in. So fire up into CarPlay, and we can. Off we go. So yeah, cracking way to bring this dash up to date, really. Huge upgrade in functionality, as I said, and off he goes. It's been great. Cheers.